Hello. Hi, everyone. It's been good to see you here. Sorry I wasn't able to stream yesterday because I was a little bit busy with work, and I just kind of like all worn out, so I didn't stream yesterday. But yeah, hello Kamiru. Hope you're doing well. So today, let me prepare my stuff actually. You see, this setup is gonna be a little bit. No, not just a bit. Let's not say a bit. It's gonna be a lot of stuff, and I don't know if stuff will works as I intended to. But you see that other than the fact that I have new overlays and some of the alerts aren't working. What do you call it? Wait, I didn't mean to do that. Let me do that again. Yeah. As you can hopefully see that I have two monitors set up right here now because I use my editing program with like two monitors because I can't handle just using one anymore. It's hard for me. And she herself game of the year so far. That is very true. That's game of like every other year too, actually. So yeah, you see that I made a new overlay and it's not finished yet, but I'm just kind of wanted to use this first. Like I still haven't got the alert set up properly. But today we're gonna be making some. I think I need to like preface this first that if there's like anyone here who knows me and how I use this program, you know that I love to do a lot of stuff in like Resolve, Fusion, which means I get into like separate page and just do animation in this way, right? But so recently, Resolve 20.1 is just recently updated that I can like easily apply function, and I don't think you guys can see, but basically I can just like, so I have adjustment layer, right? If I type like shift spacebar, if I can easily search and apply an effect to stuff, and this is like what I've made like for my day-to-day life. This is what I made so far, and so recently I found this new way of like making adjustment layer. The music is a bit too loud actually, but never mind. I wanna listen to the banger. So I found the new ways to make some like preset and stuff and make stuff works better for my workflow. So I figure I should be making new stuff for my own use case and not just like rely on doing everything every time in Vision Page anymore. I have just realized that what I'm saying is probably doesn't make sense for like 90% of y'all here, but also Ray, may I introduce Dreamcode? I think I've heard before, but like what do you call it? I have the one I'm using and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure I understand all of it, but I want to learn. I will get like those set up probably at some point, but yeah. The point is I want to make like new stuff that is, and let me also, yeah. This is like, she says I have set up a bit for like a template, like, she's serious when your streamer just pulls out VS Code out of nowhere. But yeah, we're gonna be using that later. Also, hello to I'm Green. I thought you were like doing the session or something. I'm just not gonna question that, I suppose. That, and also this stream gonna be a lot of me just like staring blankly into the camera and like using my head most of the time. But I'm gonna be trying to like put my word process of like what I'm thinking about and actually says it out loud, so you guys can somewhat understand what I'm thinking. And maybe that will actually help with me making process actually, because uh it's like you trying to explain stuff to someone and it might help you understand that thing more, you know. So yeah, so what we're planning to make today is like I have like the dumb version of this like work previously, but like I want to remake this. It's like, so I have this like before that I've made. It's like slow and fading, and I can change like the angle here, so you can adjust like in which direction it's coming in, right? This one like I've made before, but I kind of want to like make an more advanced version of this, but like not exactly like this. I was trying to make like just like sliding, right? But no, like no fading in. That no fading in just yet, because like maybe I'm gonna be making that next, but like I want just to make like a sliding in with the angle that you can choose like this, with the adjustable distance too. But like I want to make there like as I shown before, right? I want to like have that be like a button that you can choose between like direction preset already if you for like easy access, and a bunch of other stuff that I have it noted in my separated notes app too, which I have it closed it at the moment because otherwise it's gonna be too much. Yeah. So I hope everything is working alright too, because like earlier when I was just like figuring out stuff on my OBS. Oh wait, we call it. That's probably cause. See, as if I've told you before, there's gonna be a lot of stuff happening. Oh yeah, because like I reinstall a new. So I need to do. Yeah, there we go. That should work perfectly fine now. Alright, let me just restart from like the first song of the album then. Yeah, thank you for like telling me that too, by the way. Also, hello, Serens. Hello. Yeah, so that was because I was trying to get a new widget, which is like I think I had that before, but like I just kind of removed it for some reason. But like I added back in, and it requires me to install a new YouTube Music app, a new version of it, and I didn't change the name of the source in OBS properly, so that didn't come out. But you guys should be able to hear it now. Yeah, thank you so much for catching that. Alright, so with that out of the way of like things that I kind of want to do, I think I'm just like gonna leave that. It's so weird now, like we call it stream with like showing two monitor setup. So first of all, we're gonna be spending time in Fusion tab a lot, and let me just quickly check notes. To do. Yeah, I think we're just gonna try to like get stuff actually working now, and we're gonna be worrying about like publishing the macro later. So first, we just need to modify that with vector and just this anim curve. Oh, Terence, thank you so much for the sub. Thank you. Okay, at least that tick just like updated, so it should be fine. Yeah, oh my god, thank you so much. I don't have anything cool to provide to you yet, other than just very few emotes, but yeah, thank you so much. Alright. So we have. So to explain shortly, like we have vector, which is like a modifier, so we can like give us a distance and angle modifier to be adjustable here. And for me to explain atom curve is gonna be a lot. Let's just say that it helps with doing animation, as the name implies. Then so usually for my own setup, I usually do an animation with like what I call it. I edit in like 60 frame FPS timeline, and I usually have like a slight effect at like usually either like 10, 20 or 30 FPS. Oh, I mean like 30 frames. So we're gonna be doing that too, but as per my notes says, we're gonna set the base of like keyframe here to be like an curve input. So we have it slicing right here. We aren't gonna bother with the angle just yet, but I want the default to be just like popping in. So like 90 degrees for this. And it's gonna come out this way, right? And I also usually just like have it as like fine animation popping radius. Oh. But also I was trying like at the chat with trying chat before, and apparently chat keep like disconnecting when I like try out stuff. So hopefully my connection ain't dropping or anything. But if it does, then I don't know how to fix that. But yeah, we have this, and which have been pretty scuffed lately. That is true, yeah. So we want the user to be able to adjust the scale of the distance, which we can do by scaling over here. Yeah, right. So at the end, we will be like publishing this point too, and like before it's gonna be one, and if like we push it like further, it's gonna like go back. And yeah, I think have just the default to one is like probably the best now. And for the time scale, we're gonna be like changing this with by the setting that I have saved before, and I'll be worrying about that later. And I think the next part is we're gonna be making a controller node. And by making, I mean I already have it set up right here. Unless, oh wow, shit, ain't working like first try. How surprising. Anyway, I suppose I need to be like working on it from the scratch then. I think that's fine. I have. Yeah, I think I can just quickly let me oh wait. Is grabbing it from this work? No, that doesn't work. Yeah. I guess I didn't check it properly before stream. I have a lot to do like before stream, and by that I mean just me figuring out stuff. Whatever, just nope. Let me not try to do anything fancy. Don't mind all the red line over here, guys. I can assure you it works perfectly. Okay, and then I'm just gonna grab you real quick. Just gonna leave you guys over here, and yeah, this is the one I've been using like to make the other preset that I've made. You can see that there's like a bunch of scripts here. I think we're gonna be using that one as a start reference, and I think just should name is control should be good, and also this is like 20.1 like function, but like you can just right click and edit control here, which is making it very easy for me and for others too, I would imagine. But this would be I accidentally closed my nose. That's gonna be the directions. But I don't think like you can also see like my edit control window, but you guys have to trust me on this because I'm not risking you guys to show like, or maybe I can actually. Let me try to like yeah, I think just do that way, I suppose. Yeah, that should be able to do it now. I just have to like manually add the windows of the programs that I want to show because I refuse to do like full display. Yeah, that should show up now. There we go. I'm such a genius guy. Alright. This is gonna be directions and wait, didn't mean to do that. Let me try that again. What the fuck just happened? Huh? What the fuck? Yeah, let me try removing that too, I suppose. Does it work now? Nope. Alright, it's really gonna make me like just create a new node and refuse to like let me use my presets in peace. Alright then, I can do that. Attack button control. See, now this works perfectly. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck was up with that? Up, down. Let me make it pretty uniform. All caps. Button and name. This can be animatable page. You have this and then Thanks. But actually, yeah, oh my god, like in my chat client, it's a lot of like join like server connection, timeout reconnecting, and everything. But like it, the stream is like running alright, right? I just like want to really make sure. Uh, what the fuck is that one? Let me consult my reference real quick. Oh. And then apparently it's only things that like to do with like chat client. So you know what? Let me like remake that one actually. You guys, as the title of the stream goes. But I think I need to. Yeah, there we go. And we have to list the direction and also the frames. Yeah. It's control. This is gonna be frames on the user page. And then frame script. I think we got like control like 20. Passive. I forgot if they have rap lines on or not. Okay, there we go. I think I'm just gonna like copy from the other one. Wait. Are frame sound direction more important? I think just like maybe direction. I'm just doing this to like realign, by the way, because macro making experience in this program is something else. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of space to like type that out with too. It's gonna be directions. If value equal to 0, then vector 1 dot angle equal to 90s, negative 90s. Just rename this actually. Just rename that animtf for input. Okay, let's check if this is working right now. We're gonna change this one to like whatever button, whatever it is. Should be set to 90? Nope. Let me try that again. Oh yeah, I forgot to like make it so it actually execute. I forgot. You have to do this first, and I really love this song, by the way. So, oh my god, my chat client actually wasn't working. I'm sorry if I like missed all your chat, by the way, because my chat client is apparently unreliable. But I only have I have 3 monitor, but to make all like my other stuff working fine, I have to like use only 2 monitor. But yeah, sorry by the way, serious, I didn't do the chat on our Discord just to make her hard slice. It's okay. I only know HTML coding. Yeah, our Discord just to make the hard slide. Well, not just sliding, but when I finish doing all this, I will like show you later of like how cool it is. But like, it's gonna be worth it, like spending this much time, and it's probably because I don't know much either, because what do you call it? I'm still learning to, you know. Wait, let me try to. What the fuck did my chat goes? Oh, there you go. I kind of want just only my chat pop out, but like let the rest of OBS just like minimize. Like, can I do that? Is there a way to do that? Or should I just open the separate clients, a new window? Is that gonna be better? I don't know. Because I don't want to miss my shots, but also I don't know where to put you guys. No, I know where to put you guys, but I don't know where to put the rest of my OBS. I don't have space anymore. I mean, we're probably not gonna be doing stuff in like the left side here anyway, so it should be fine. Just like leaving you guys there. Alright, and chat is spinning again. What the fuck is wrong with you today, Twish? Why are you doing this to me? Alright, so we actually need to set the control over here, so when we change the button, it actually executes the script that is written over here, which is not yet finished, but we will get there. It's gonna be, what's the name again? Executes. Is this direction script? Get inputs from direction with the true bracket. Okay. If we press up now, no. Unless vector one dot angle. Vector one dot angle. Let me try to expect. Try to inspect this more here. Execute. Alright. Let me check this one again. Oh wait, it actually have to be the name of the Control have to be. There you go. Is this working now? Nope. Let me try that again. Wait. I should have pulled up like there you go. You know, for you about saying play video games sometimes that's obviously you work. Well, to say though that what I call it, I don't usually. It's not like I don't have time, but it's not in the mood for like me playing games right now. Like the only games I would play lately, and by lately I mean like 2 months ago, is like Fantasy Life, which is like a pretty relaxing, turn your brain off kind of games. But yeah, lately I'm just been in the mood for like doing stuff, you know, creative stuff or whatever. Which if I am in the mood for doing like creative stuff, I'm just gonna like, do that. And if I like want to play games, I would just like do it later. But do not be afraid, because you know what's gonna happen in like 2 weeks from now. Your song's gonna release, and that's gonna be all you're gonna be seeing from me for like I don't know, next 2 months or something. We'll see. Because I'm probably like I'm terrible at like video games, so it's gonna be seeing me stuck at the video games for a long time. I also want to play Deltarune 2 someday. But yeah. Look over spelling is correct. So what else is wrong with you? This and like get this input. Or it's like the way I arrange the notes or something. Surely it's not just that. Okay. This is gonna work. Nope. Let me check that again. Let me try shaking other input. Just like put that one out of way there. What if I doesn't change that one? Oh yeah, it's probably that, right? What time is for you? There's a time above my head up there that it should be working. I also like set up the clock system all again. Because if I shake the anim, if I like change this instead, does it work? Wait, that's the wrong. I think it should work, right? Nope. And just an input size. Oh, I'm blind. It's okay. I'm gonna be like working on layouting a lot more. I'm cool. I had to look up what time that start. Oh, you're not familiar with like what you call it? I know that's like a military time and the other thing, and I don't know what's this one called, but I know there's people who are more familiar with one more than in another. But like over here in Thailand, we have like three way of like reading time, and I can do like all three of them. So I don't use military time. Oh yeah, that would make sense. It's fine. At least just tell me you can read like the traditional clock, like not like you can read what do you call it? Do you call it fucking analog clock or something? Just like the clock, You know how still know how to read the clock and not just like read digital time, right? At least if you can do that, that's fine by me. Unless I can read clocks, yeah. Yeah, good for you. I think I know some people in my life that like doesn't know how to read like clocks, and I just like have no idea how they survive childhood. It's probably because like all their house they are filled with like just like digital clocks maybe. All my classes had analog clocks for us to learn, yeah. Oh wait, I think I kinda know the problem. Unless I think usually with this time me coding in there. I think me coding script panel here is like bad for me because I have no idea what the error will be. And like I have the console running but it doesn't show me any errors, so I don't know about that. Let me just like check this out again. Maybe there's like a specific term for me to like change the inputs of like anim curve, but I'm trying to just like changing the size and it doesn't work somehow. Am I missing any crucial step along the way? NMTF the size. So this is precisely why I have the stream set and like just co-working, by the way. I'm just gonna be like staring doing nothing for a while. You guys are like feel very free to just like do your own thing. This is already on change. Alright. I suppose if I just let me once again consult the manuals. Right, it doesn't work. Nope, that's still. Or maybe I have to do something else. It's just like the transform node is weird. Is it that? Alright. Time to do troubleshooting stuff. If I just basically use the same control here. No, it doesn't work. So it's not, the mistake is not over here. It's probably something else. Right? I'm gonna feel so dumb when I actually figure out what's wrong with it, with the code. I can already see that already. I have another idea actually. Let me It looks like everything here is I got the name correct, but all right. I guess there's another way out from that. It's just like we trying to do it all again. Let's try just like to make the simple script work now. I'm gonna follow the tutorial closely now. If you have those set up. Control. Multi-button control. No, that is not the case. Nope. I really need to make that like redeem overlay of me just like having the loading icon on my head. I think that would be pretty fitting. I still remember I was about to like do the other one like almost first try. That was just like some typo. Right then. Oh, I really love this song by the way. We love Kasuneteto over here. I think I may actually know, but just like why it doesn't work, or maybe not. Okay, guys, this is your daily reminder to actually follow the tutorial through and through. If you're not sure about something, I don't know why that happened, but and by that, if we just copy that, let me try this first. Oh, I do. I need to rename the node before. Oh, but that should be fine actually. Oh god, I just fit through like the ass break and like didn't realize it. Yeah, guys, this is gonna be like hard focus stream. Wait. Oh, I remember now why the other one, the guy that I tried didn't work. Alright. Me being dumbass again. See, guys, this is why programming is just like so hard, but also very interesting at the same time. Oh, well, actually, I think if we if I do this and true. Hopefully this should work as completely intended. Nope. What the hell's going on? Can someone tell me, please? What the hell's wrong with you in the first place? Arr. This also like one of my favorite songs. It's like apparently, as the title say, like microtonal or something. Very cool. Okay, does this work yet? There we go. Alright, it's just a stupid mistake. Don't mind me, don't mind me. Okay, so what if... Alright guys. We'll walk like take a step back for at least like 20 minutes now. The stream has been running for like about an hour and I think we can finally start progressing, question mark. Let's try this again. What if anim transform certain foods size equal to 2? That work? Alright. If we set it to vector 1 dot angle. Let's try that again. Alright, there we go, guys. We can finally actually start making presets now after I finished debugging. Guys, are you happy with me now? I finally figure out my own dumb mistakes. This is what you get when you don't understand Lua code but still try to code in Lua. Alright. So the mistake was I just put in other name instead of the correct variable name. That's it. Yeah. So I need to like check back to the stream once in a while to like make sure I actually have the correct the correct monitor, the correct window on. Alright, so you just have to do that, but we got the direction up correct already. Oh wait, this is another banger actually. Down it to be 90. Left is gonna be up, down, left is gonna be one SD gonna be right, so left is gonna be negative 180. 180. So we got that started. Okay, I need to like, set it as like default though. See guys, progress. I can actually select the correct this now. We're gonna be going about to make all this like pretty later. Wait. There we go, we got that done. And the next one is gonna be changing the frames or aka time scales. So edit control. What do you call it? Frames. Multi-button control. And then the space for we to write the script. Scripts. Have to make sure I got the correct amount of assist. Text edit control. Line 20. Passive. if value equal to this, we're gonna set the time scale over here to be, let me look at my notes. It's gonna be anim curve 1. Okay. Is this correct actually? Anim curves with S1 and time scale. If it's 21, okay. So this is gonna be oh wait, that one doesn't work. Alright, okay. True. That's we got it right. So oh wait, is this because this one we got correct? This one also, but apparently we cannot set this one to the float apparently. Huh. Because we can like manually set it. Very curious. Can we set it to... Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. There you go. It should work now. Yeah. Maybe this is a mistake actually to actually stream my process to anyone else to see. So now y'all can see how blind I am. Yeah, I think it should be working perfectly, and now it's just us trying to, we call it, publish the macro, and I can see that it's probably not going to work first try, but let's see. What setting do I want to have at my default actually? Maybe like 10 frame up. I feel like that's the on me. 20 frames up, and the curve to be like sine. Should we name it? Right, whip in. No, I think that's only like on the macro. That's only used if it's gonna be the thing that I type the most. I was thinking maybe like acronym. I think you guys can see like the macro setting right now, but it's okay. Version of frames and let's see if it actually works. Okay. And let me just like hide my stuff a bit actually. Just to close and open it again. Wait, the music already like, ran out of that playlist. Maybe we should try UFO then. Yeah. This is also like classic banger. Okay, and let us try. And you guys will finally see how cool it is after me breaking it for like. Okay, I need to like make a new name for that, but the default, right? It is. We can check it to like make it come faster or slower. We can change the easing curve to maybe just exponential. Yeah. We can also have motion blur. And cubic curve look kind of nice actually. Yeah. We can also change direction. Comes in. Yeah, guys. Isn't it cool? Please tells me it actually is cool. Because I've spent an embarrassingly long amount of time doing this. And maybe I will change the name actually now that I think about it. Maybe I'll change to just like slide in because I don't need all other slide now. Let me Oh, I have two sliding built-in. Oh god. Where did I keep the other slides in? What the fuck? I need to go check. Oh yeah, it's this one. Alright. I wouldn't need that one. There we go. Maybe I'll change up the default setting actually. And also there's something weird over here. I think I need to like change up that. But so far, is this one? Probably this one. Oh no. Not actually is. I forgot which one is the one that I actually make stuff in. Did I already delete that? Oh god damn it. Alright, it's fine. So far it's nice. I think we just need to polish it up a little bit and like making the out animation. And then it should be fine from now. Okay, I think we need to like make it so we can change the distance too. Yeah, I need to remember that. Yeah, it's just scaling on anim curve. Do I want to make it? Yeah, we need that. I will think about the name later, but for now that will do. Went to have breakfast. Hello, welcome back. Then look at what I have finally accomplished so far. This is like not finished yet. I need to polish it later, but yeah. So we can have this that we can change the direction it's coming in. We can change the speed. We can have it if we want motion blur or not. We can change the easing type. do that. We can change by preset or just by choosing an angle is fine too. I have to like make it so like the descent here is actually set on anim curve though, not like actually on keyframe like this. So yeah, I've done that. Whole lot of code. No, it's just very small code. It's just small code, but big amount of me being a very dumb guy. But yeah, so now I try to like polish up the control a bit more in this one. So yeah, we got that working, but like I was just like testing stuff. So uh-huh. And curve and scale. This has to be changed to distance. Wait, no. We need another window capture just for like you seeing the macro, maybe. But I still have this one open. But I was on the wrong tab. That's why you say like whole lot of code. Alright, let me do that again actually. Alright, so let me go grab that. Let me show this again. So we have presets that we like have the slice in, but we can change the direction. Right? We can change the easing type and motion blur and all other cool stuff, right? Like that. So yeah, this is pretty nice, but I'm just trying to like polish all other stuff up right now. Oh, the bounces look pretty nice actually, but I don't think I'm gonna be using that a lot. Yeah, the elastic maybe. This one is pretty good. But yeah, the rest I'm just gonna be polishing stuff. So I don't think we're gonna use this code anytime soon, so I'm just gonna close that for now, just in case the window actually accidentally comes up. I'm just like gonna like try to publish the macro again right now. And I do that wrong again. Um, do I? Yeah, I'm just gonna give that one check just in case. Huh. My monitor just goes black right now and like it all blinks. Surely nothing bad just happened to my PC. Oh god. I didn't. I forget to change the default easing type, but I think this one looks nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna choose it to default. No, I need to like think about my actual use case on what I'm gonna do it for. It will form me doing all of this to like never use it again. No, hopefully it doesn't happen. Maybe if this default is 20, maybe I will use 20 more. I don't know. I'm gonna be using Raystream to study soon. Oh, what are you studying on about actually? I don't know if like my stream is like actually best for, even though I set my stream category to like co-working stream, but like I don't know if it actually gonna be viable considering my taste in music. You need starting up. Oh, I see, I see. What field are you studying in, if you don't mind me asking? I'm very curious. Because I know my friend who's just getting started in uni right now too, and she's incredibly busy, and we don't have much time to play video games together, so that is very sad. Accounting, oof, god. Just reading the name, I can already feel the terror. Like, if there's gonna be a spectrum on interest in Ray of like on what faculty Ray is gonna be interesting in, there's gonna be art on one end of the spectrum, and on the other end is probably be accounting. That's just like boring as hell, but it's probably good if you can like find job with like decent amount of salary in it, right? I don't know. Number is not my strong suit, as you can probably see in my how I'm doing the coding, and like I just kind of like always look over stuff and being incredibly blind all the time. So yeah, good luck with that. It's just a nice, reliable job. It'll only get easier as tech gets better. I'm coping. I don't know much about accounting actually, but I'm trying to not speak up the dreaded word that is called AI right now, but as I said before, I don't have that much knowledge, but yeah, as long as it's not my passion, but maybe it will be. You see, I have not heard a single soul who says that like doing accounting is their passion though. I have like I don't know if like anyone can like fully say that like accounting is their passion, but you know, maybe there will be maybe there's like a few of them. Yeah, good. Just good luck with that then. As long as we call this, as long as it's the choice that you are the one making it for yourself, then. Mm. Okay. Let me hide my capture again because I'm gonna refresh the program and there's gonna be a project browsing screen as the program starts up. So let me not risk that. Okay, and oh wait, you can actually. I think I have to like check the lookup box too, but anything else seems to be up. I forgot the motion blur option. Right, getting doxed by project names. Nah, I'm not scared about just my full name out in the open or something. I'm just scared of my we call it NDA works showing up because I'm horrible at organization. Yeah, you know what's scarier than your full name out in the out in the open? Getting sued. But yeah, I need to like re-export the macro again because I mucked up. Surely it has to be a much cooler name than just Ray Sliding though. But like I need a name for this macro for me to like easily type because I'm gonna be using it quite often, right? But like I can come up with like a decent name for that. Angle. And if it's custom. There we go. Yeah. For this option, we can also like unless it doesn't go over. Very curious. Unless this is so fucking weird. I'm just trying to like make weird curve to see like, huh? That is not the shape I expected, but okay. Apparently I can go under here, but I cannot go over in this direction, I suppose. Huh. It seems to be working fine though, so I'm not complaining. Alright, that is pretty cool. Oh, wait, let's not delete that one just yet. But yeah, and I think we're gonna be the in is completed question mark already. So I think we're gonna be trying to make the out animation, yes, which I don't know if I'm gonna be using it that much, but I'm just making it anyway to make it like completed, you know. And it's not probably gonna be too hard. We just have to move the keyframe here. No, gonna. Which one is flip again? Can I fucking flip it over here? No? Why doesn't the flip button work? Or do I have to like... There we go. So this is gonna be the out animation. And apparently... the control should work fine. Unless... Oh, it's gonna be tricky when doing the trimming for the out animation actually. I have not just realized the crucial mistakes. Let me make sure of this in. So I just simply changed. Yeah. Oh, so I fucking understand now why we need that shortcut of lifetime offset. But can I ask Chansey that again? Is he currently available right now? Probably not. But I know exactly what I need to do and what's the problem. So to surely explain, the way time scale works is to like make the animation here goes faster, right? And by just shrinking it faster, it's also like you see this is like input, right? And this is like the output that we modify. If we have the time scale set to correctly to one as default, it's gonna happen over here. But like if we shrunk it down so it happen faster, then it will be like happen just way sooner. And apparently it's not a problem when we are doing the in animation, but when it's the out animation is the problem. I know. I think we're gonna try to we call it do the keyframe stretcher on it first, and then we can like figure out the problem later. Maybe it will fix itself by then. We'll see. We shall insert keyframe stretcher on the anim curve. Oh fuck. Yeah, graphs just do that sometimes. It's in Fusion, that's like normal occurrence. So we have to figure out the formula to offset the time to some stage happening to later. So if we change this to 10, let me see like the formula first. Maybe if you just like guess the formula like because we're not gonna give the user like control over sliders, right? We just need to like change the setting to the correct tab, so we don't need to like correctly figure out the formula or anything like that, but it would be nice if we could. But anyway. Is it just like 2.5? 0.5? No. Yes, actually. Is it? Yeah. So other than time scale, we have to like change the time offset to. Alright. If value is equal to 0, you change time offset to 0.5. And I suppose for this one, we will change it to I don't know. We see. Oh, take you 055. Okay, that sounds straightforward enough. Okay, so these should be working fine. On animation for 30 or 10 and 20 frames. Hey. Oh yeah, we have to like change this to like default to 1 too. No, it is 1 or 0 actually. I don't remember. No, it is 0. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Oh wait, fuck! I missed the chat again. Sorry. Hello, Nebula. Also, there's an ad break. I'm so sorry if I missed all your chat. I mean, not if. I'm so sorry if I when I missed all your chat because stuff set up. So sorry. Neb, are you still here? I was like too locked in. And once again, I just like concentrate through my ad breaks because stuff set up. You can be locked in, yeah. I suppose this is a stream for shit like that, but I don't want to miss my chat, but like I need to like find a way to like have my chat show up better. I think there's an application for you can have chat overlay or something like that. I think I've never needed that because I have two monitors, right? But when stream requires two monitors setup to be working properly, you just kind of need that. So yeah, there's an out animation that is working relatively quick. Actually, you could have shot on your phone or something, but I will now have to like 2, 3 separate things to look at though, and like I don't know. I don't want to have my iPad on my. I don't want to rely on those and like just switch on those platforms. It kind of sucks. Generally, streaming is two monitors, right? I mean, some freaks have fucking 3 or more monitors, but yeah. I don't use like left monitor much anyway. Like you could see there's so many blank space here, and like right now I have my OBS on, right here, so that's usually is not a problem. I just need to figure out an application to like have it on, and if I can like easily do moderation stuff on that, that would be really nice too. But yeah, for an out animation, the default setting, I think I want to like. Oh wait. I need to like out animation. I also like need to flip the two too. All right. It's in the correct way now. I think I'm gonna set it like as the same as my set the default as the same as my is in one. So this is gonna be exponential the same as like 20 frames. All right. Erase that out. Also, I think you asked the question earlier, like, is this a Pigmin remix? No, it is just like usual Camellia stuff, and he just kind of does weird stuff with his sound designs, and like maybe that's like Pigmin's soundbite too. I don't know. Victor One, Angle, Lord music. That is so true. Perfect description, actually. Okay, let's try. Don't forget to change this clip color to default too. I'm too lazy to like, refresh, so does this work first try? Yeah, look at those. So nice, so cool, so easy. I'm such a genius guy. And I think for now, I could do like fade in and stuff, but yeah, if I slide in, I could also set it to fade in, and also the distance to be pretty low. And we can also have, look at those, that's so nice. Ugh. Yeah, look at those. It is just me who is the freak one, or are you guys like feel very excited when you see a nice looking animation too? Yeah, just you want motion blur, just turn on motion blur like that. Easy. The default like preset bows that they gave us feels pretty better. Let me see. I think it's 30 and then like look at like very subtle effects right there, right? I can just like do that in presets and everything. Hell yeah. Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna make this one but also have the fade option too, but nah. Just slap the fade transition in is probably like way easier and way intuitive, so yeah guys, mission accomplished. And by that though, I think I'm just gonna like, I don't know what are we gonna be doing next, but maybe I'm gonna be like do the zoom transition next, but like for that one I haven't have it planned, so things might go wrong. But I think I'm just like, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'm gonna be RB. Like, I've already missed 2 ad breaks of my stream, like 2 consecutive times. So yeah, see y'all in a minute. Alright, me back. We could also be doing stuff with like new overlay design too, but hum hum hum. Hmm. I think I'm gonna like need to like test it out a lot more with my real usage until I see what can be fixed, and I'm gonna be like doing that later. But now let's do something else actually. Maybe we'll be doing like ah. For so for the zoom, I think usually I just have it at like default 10 frame zooms most of the time, but maybe I would want variation too. But I think I just need to like experiment first. Oop, am I crashing the program? No, it's not responding right now. Alright, get back. I didn't do anything weird at all. Why are you not responding? No. Alrighty then. Well, I'm just gonna real quick. When was the last time I saved? Well, I haven't like done anything much anyway. I just hope like I can still open the project file. Okay, so that's fine. Because normally for the zoom in, like for the punch in, I usually just like don't do anything fancy at all. But maybe I will do anything fancy now when I've already made the presets for myself. We'll see, we'll see. But yeah, if we were to like try to, yeah, I think we can just like slap anim curve on directly. Huh. Mhm. Well, it doesn't work for some reason. Let's see. Okay, I think I can do this. My PC just blink again. God, that jump scare the heck out of me every time. Not like this. Oh, but actually, I just realized because it's an out animation, maybe I need to like for the out preset. Unless maybe that's already correct. I don't know. I suppose when it's for for zoom in, you wanna ease out more often. So for zoom, what we want to do is probably gonna be like gonna need anchor points and zoom scale. Frames. But I think my brain is probably already fried though. But like I think it's the solid foundation that I've built so far for the sliding. Maybe I'll do that in my off time. Yeah. We'll see how much I needed those, but yeah, I need to figure it out like the alerts and everything too. Like I was freaking out doing the latest follower stuff before stream, but I think the method that I'm using right now is pretty janky, so I need to figure that out. But yeah, thank you all so much for like just coming and checking in and like sorry again that I've missed so much of your messages because I was too locked in. Man. I need to like get a better chat client for this. Okay, thank you so much, and I mean this is pretty fun so far. I don't know if it's like fun for you guys to like just see me just doing whatever the fuck. But like, I kind of want to do more like editing stream, or at least I resolve stream though, just me doing stuff. I don't know if it's fun for you guys to watch. Like, do you actually understand what I'm saying at all? But yeah. Hi again, Nebula. You're good, hey. I'm sorry I didn't greet you back in time. I hope you're doing well. Yeah. I need to like figure out the chat clients better. But yeah. With that said, I'm just gonna end stream now and we'll figure out not the song, it's just building up for the drop right now when I'm ending the stream. But yeah, thank you so much and see y'all later. Maybe someday. Bye bye.